what if there are Duterte supporters joining? First of all, walang kulay ang laban sa corruption. No? So they have every right to also protest corruption. Ngayon, syempre, ang tanong, bakit hanggang Marcos lang? Dapat kasama rin yung administrasyon ng Duterte dahil inamin nga ni Diskaya, tinanong ni Senator Bato sa Blue Ribbon, saan sila nagsimula sa flood control projects, sinabi ni Diskaya, 2016. So, dito, kung titigan natin, 6 na taon, no? Kung saan sabihin natin naging contractor si Diskaya sa iba't ibang mga projects. Now, how do we deal with them? Well, we can converse with them, but we will not condemn them, but we should just be careful. Dahil ang panawagan nila dito sa September 21 rally, no? Tama yung laban sa corruption, pero ang panawagan yata nila, resign Marcos or Marcos resign. Eh syempre may political agenda sila. Ang political agenda para maging presidente si Sara. And of course, we all know that if that happens, there's that possibility that Sara may be president for 9 years, like GMA. Eh ayaw natin yun mangyayari. No? Ayaw natin mangyayari. So talagang we welcome them if they want to join, but we should be careful, no? When they start shouting na Marcos resign, then we have to tell them that's not included in our calls in our rallies. So if you encounter them in the morning rally or in the afternoon rally, we should not be violent towards them. They're also shouting anti-corruption slogans, but when it comes to the issue of Marcos, then we have to say, we have to tell them to stop, or we have to tell them to leave the activity.